And now I'm back for my infographics for my educational tool. As I've done with my educational video, infographics is designed only to shorten that video. This tool provides key information about HG. I just shortened my video, but it's all the same. This infographic is designed to be straightforward and easy to understand, making it accessible for pregnant women and others who may not have background in healthcare. As you can see, I just put that one in the top, like what is hyperemesis gravidarum or HG, which is a severe condition during pregnancy characterized by excessive nausea and vomiting, leading to weight loss and nutrients deficiencies. So I just put four main facts, which is severe nausea and vomiting, leads to dehydration, required medical treatment, and HG is unknown. And for the symptoms, as you can see, severe persistent vomiting leading to dehydration, significant weight loss over 5% of pre-pregnancy weight, fatigue, and low blood pressure. Ketones in urine due to prolonged vomiting and lack of food intake. So they can see if they have ketones in the urine, they can go to the lab and then the lab will use a dipstick for that one. So they will know if the pregnant woman have these ketones in her urine. So treatment, IV fluids, vitamin B6, as I said, and docyclamine for nausea. If these two treatments, the first line treatment, which is B6 and docyclamine, then if the vomiting and nausea still like persists, anti-anemics like ondansetron or Sofran is the second line of treatment. Okay, nutritional support through small bland meals and IV nutrition. So that's everything for me. um, I hope you like it and I hope you get something on my presentation. Thank you so much and have a good one.